Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce time spent on homework with Quizlet, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce time spent on homework using Quizlet, start by creating an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create button to make a new study set. Title your study set according to the subject or topic you are working on. Add terms and definitions that pertain to your homework material. Be specific and concise with your definitions for better retention. Consider using images or audio links to enhance your study materials. After creating the set, explore the various study modes offered by Quizlet. Start with flashcards to familiarize yourself with the terms. Use Learn mode to test your knowledge and track your progress systematically. Engage with the Write mode to reinforce memory through active recall. Utilize Test mode to simulate a quiz environment and assess your understanding. If you have a mobile device, download the Quizlet app for on-the-go studying. Set aside a dedicated study time to focus exclusively on your Quizlet sets. Monitor your progress regularly to identify areas needing improvement. Consider sharing your study sets with classmates for collaborative learning. Explore the Quizlet Live feature for interactive group studying sessions. Take breaks between study sessions to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Use the search feature to find existing study sets created by other users. Join classes or groups related to your subjects for shared resources and support. After mastering the material, apply your knowledge in homework assignments efficiently. Stay organized by using folders to categorize your different study sets. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the time spent on homework with Quizlet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.